Hey there, I'm Gray with FlagandBanner.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install a house-mounted flagpole. A house-mounted flagpole is a great way to add a flag to your home. At FlagandBanner.com, we offer a number of DIY-friendly house mount kits, and this one, the Annan Estate Set, is one of our favorites. The kit includes a white, 6-foot, tangle-free spinning pole, mounting bracket, easy mount rings, and a 3x5 nylon American flag, made right here in the USA. The great thing about this kit in particular is the tangle-free spinning pole, which will enable your flag to spin freely in the wind. To install this kit, you'll also need a drill, pencil, and a level. Right, so now that you have your flagpole kit and the necessary tools, we can get started on the install. The first thing you'll want to do is assemble your pole, which will simply screw together like so. Next, you'll want to grab one of your easy mount rings and slide it onto the pole. Now that you have your ring on the pole, you can remove the screw and keep it handy. Then you'll take the top grommet at the top of the flag's header and line it up with the screw hole on the mounting ring. With the holes lined up, you can reattach your screw to secure the flag to the pole. As a rule of thumb, it's a good idea to leave a bit of space between the flag and the top of the pole, say about an inch or so. Now that you have the top ring attached, you can use the same process to attach the bottom ring. Simply slide the ring onto the pole, pull the flag taut, and screw it in place, making sure that the screw head faces the same direction as the top mounting ring. And there you go. Now your flag is attached to the pole. Now it's time to think about where you want to put your bracket. While you can put the bracket just about anywhere, there are a few things you want to keep in mind. The first thing to consider is the material you'll be drilling into. For this install, we will be drilling into wood, which is by far the easiest. If you want to install your bracket on vinyl siding, you will need to use a vinyl mounting block, which will need to be sealed with an exterior caulk following installation. If you want to install your bracket in masonry, you will need to pre-drill your holes with a masonry bit and secure it with Tapcon screws or wall anchors. It is also important to consider the surrounding area to make sure that your flag won't snag on things like tree limbs, railings, or anything rough or jagged. Lastly, you will want to make sure that your flag won't block any sidewalks or walkways where people could run into it. To make sure you like the spot you've chosen to install your flag, it's always a good idea to do a dry fit to see what the flag will look like before you mount it. With those things in mind, let's head outside and get our flag installed. First, use a level to position the bracket. Then, mark the screw holes in the bracket with a pencil and pre-drill the wood. Next, you can grab your screws and mount the bracket. Finally, you can insert your pole, step back, and admire your work. And there you go. That's how you install a house-mounted flagpole. For links to products used in today's video, check out the description below. And while you're down there, be sure to like and subscribe for more flag-related content just like this. For all your other flag flying needs, head on over to FlagandBanner.com. If you have any questions about what you saw in this video today, or about flags in general, give one of our flag experts a call. And as always, thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time at FlagandBanner.com.